harvest home stretch. But last night, the MacDon header decided to pack it in early. The right hand side wing flex linkage snapped. A loud bang and header went cockeyed, and yeah, part of it snapped here. So it's gonna need some taking apart, new parts and reassembly, but also like wing rebalancing. So hopefully we can get this guy up and running today. Yeah, it was going good. Only a couple hundred acres left. Dad's going for parts. I'm hauling a load of canola in because I open in 30 minutes. Then I'll be back. Second canola bag is set up. One of the last days. Over the fence. That are half in the trees that are going to get filled this year. There's the bag set up on one of my runways that I made with the disc. It's kind of level. We do really like these headers. They cut well, they feed well. Big knives, big yards, good depth on the draper. But they have to be set pretty good. And that combine is. That one flexes really nice. But this one, all year, this right hand side, something was going on with it. And it would jam up every once in a while, wouldn't flex. And I think eventually something had to give. Hopefully there's not something else that we can't see here. That's still the nice thing about two combines. Get one going, feels like you're doing something at least. If you're totally broke down, not doing anything, then that's a bad feeling. Still good. See, it's this threaded rod, that's what actually broke, right about there. Threaded rod back in there. Parked on this hill to flex this wing up to give us some more room to work with. So it's kind of back together. We're just going to check the right hand side wing adjustment, see if it's anywhere close. The right hand side wing adjustment seems okay. The best it's been in a long time. It's sliding and moving in there. But there was two bangs and we only fixed one bang. First one was when Dad was going around a slough. Heard the bang, said something's wrong. Second bang was when I was jumping on the header trying to unjam it. So yeah, I don't know there. Just getting started here and he'll see if it's cutting okay. Raccoon, you better. What is he doing? What the heck? What the heck is? Get out of here!
He just went under the combine.
He could have. What the heck? I was scared he was gonna hop in the. Like climb on the header. I don't know what was with that guy. He wanted to hop on my header.
He wanted to go for a ride.
Deer went for a ride right out the back. Says it's got no can. Okay, that should fill that truck. There's a bit of chewing left here. That's the end over there. I think past 115 is that end. So I'm past 82, so there's a bit here left. And if I make it to the end, then after here, another one more field after this one. There's gonna be some spillage here. Spillage, just minor. First truck's full, the rest is going in the bag. So we like switching around. So I'll go in the in Dad's combine with the header, whatever's going on there. I think it's okay though. Taylor will come in here. Gotta take my cooker. It seems to be doing its thing. We'll have to cover off so we can watch it. It's sliding in there. That's moving up and down. Seems okay. Still in Vigor L340. A lot of L340 this year. And I'll go back to it if the price is right next year. Already thinking about buying seed, which is crazy. The home quarter, which was right there, was Brevant, which yielded, actually probably out-yielded the 340, but it was so hard threshing, almost a whole mile an hour slower going through that stuff. So 2.2 to 2.5 and that stuff. And going 3.1, 3.2 in the 340. So it's not just all about the yield, it's how it combines as well. That's it for here. On to the last field. Won't finish that tonight, but that means we'll get her done tomorrow. I got my ham cooking in my cooker. My wife's behind me. 7 months pregnant. Life is good. Back to the Brevant. Yeah. Leftover KFC. Thought it was ham. Dirty Bird. I bet you guys don't have leftover Dirty Bird.
How does it taste?
Tastes like I'm gonna have a stomach ache. Trucks are full. It's gonna be an early night tonight. Finish the rest tomorrow. Only a few hours left for tomorrow, and that will be it for 2025. Now finally, when you lift this header up, both sides, both wings are frowning, they're down. You can see on the indicator there, it's down, just like the other one is. And it hasn't done that all year, so I don't know, we didn't really do anything different. We just kind of put it back together and put it back how we thought it was, but it seemed to be cutting pretty good. Thanks for watching.